Hello, hi everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and I'm here today to answer your immigration questions. So if you have any immigration questions, go ahead and put them in. I'm located right outside of DC in Arlington, Virginia, but because immigration is considered a federal practice, that means that no matter where in the US you are located, I can help you with your immigration case if you would like to call us to figure out what options you might have available, or if you have some pressing immigration questions that are confusing to you. I can understand how difficult that might be. These forms are not always easy to understand. The processes are not always easy to understand. If you want some clarification, if you need some help understanding, or if you would like us to kind of take over your immigration case, I'd be happy to do that, and we can do that no matter where in the US you are located. So give us a call and we can schedule a consultation for you, which we do by Zoom, by phone, or in person. And you can do that at any point. You can call our office. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. However, you can call, leave a message, or even if you don't leave a message, we will be returning your call tomorrow. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, but we will get back to you. You can always schedule yourself if you would like. You can schedule on our Facebook page. There is a link where you can choose a time that works for you. And go at that point. All right, great. Anyway, happy Diwali. I want to start off with that to everybody that celebrates. Happy Diwali. I am about to go hang out with my family and do that. So and celebrate at Diwali with my family. I'm here trying to finish up an application, and then I'm going to head out and do that. So today's live will be a little bit shorter than normal, but hopefully I'll still get to answer some of your questions. So we always start off with our question for the day. So we start off with a question for the day, and this is based on a consultation that I had today, where so a couple was married, and the wife is out of status, so she was asking me her options to get status, and she had mentioned that she spoke with several different attorneys, and they said there's no options for her, right? However, after talking with her, I was able to identify an option, and hopefully it's a green card petition option that she can do on her own, and she can get a green card. Usually the time frame is about 2 to 2.5 years, and she can get a work permit in about 6 months, and also travel authorization in about 6 months. So she hadn't been back home to her home country for many, many years. I think it had been at least 8 or 10 years, if I recall correctly. And she is really excited about the possibility of being able to apply for her green card, and also in the meantime, in only 6 months, have the option to leave and go and visit her family at home, which she has not done in a long time. But the question in this consultation, the question that came up is, my spouse has a criminal history. Can they still petition for my green card? Okay, again, that's my spouse has a criminal history. Can they still petition for my green card? Okay, so most of the time the answer is yes. However, if your spouse is a registered sex offender, he or she will not be able to sponsor your green card in a normal, traditional, family-based marriage kind of way. That doesn't mean that you might not be eligible for other options. So I would certainly call us if you know someone in the situation. We can help do a consultation and hopefully identify a solution for you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. We can schedule a consultation by Zoom, by phone, or in person based on your preference. Okay, but for this particular person, the solution that we were able to identify was a self-petition, right? So your spouse is a criminal, they're a US citizen, you are out of status, can you still qualify? So here her spouse was not willing to help continue with the green card process, right? The spouse is living at the home, they are married, but will not help with the green card process. And so she wanted to do it on her own. The good news is, based on the nature of their relationship, she was able to do this. She is able to do this on her own. So we can help her to do this on her own because of the circumstances of her relationship. So if you know someone who is married to a US citizen or a green card holder who is not willing to help sponsor that green card for one reason or another, they might still qualify to apply for a green card on their own without their spouse. Their spouse will not even know unless they themselves wish to disclose this information to the spouse. Okay, give us a call if you know someone in this situation. Of course, share this video, share our page information so people can hop on and ask immigration questions while I'm on here live. All right, so make sure to follow us on TikTok, like us on Facebook, and if other people might benefit from being able to ask questions, ask immigration related questions, please make sure to share this with them. Okay, if you want to call us for a consult, 703-348-1663. All right, I have a couple of people on here. Alvin says, happy Diwali. Hi, Alvin, happy Diwali. Alvin says, shout outs, have fun, thank you. R4 Rajput says, you are the best. Oh, thank you, so kind. Happy Diwali to anyone that's celebrating, that's watching and celebrating today. You should go celebrate. Stop watching me, go celebrate. And Jamie says, Jamie just joined. Hi, Jamie. Nice to see you. Great, great. So I want to talk about one other piece of information that might be helpful to you. Okay, so we have people that call us that they've just separated from a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and they're wondering, what options do I have? We've separated. We don't live together anymore. We are still married, however. Can I still apply for a green card because my spouse, my current spouse, right, because their divorce isn't final, is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder? So if that is the case, there are still options available, right? There are still options available depending on the circumstances. So victims of abuse in a marriage, so people that are separated clearly had problems in their marriage, right? They got separated for one reason or another. They might qualify to self-petition. So that is really important to schedule a consultation, because that will let you know if you can apply for a work permit, for travel authorization, and ultimately a green card. If you were once married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and you're separated from them, you don't live with them, but you did at some point. Okay, call us for a consultation. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. What we do at the consultation is we're doing them by phone, by Zoom, in person. What we do is we go through your immigration issue, we outline the full process and all of the options available to you and make a recommendation, right? And then we answer all of the questions related to that. And of course, if you have questions after the consultation, feel free to ask, but usually they should be related to what we talked about, right? If it's a whole different issue, that might require another conversation. Okay. Hams is saying, our lawyer did not apply for an I-130, but did an I-131. What should we do? So that's interesting. An I-130 is part of the green card process, the family-based green card process. But an I-131 is an advanced parole travel document application. It's used for some other things too, but it's mostly used for travel authorization while you have a pending green card application. So if they did the wrong thing, well, you should probably confirm with the lawyer that there's no other strategy involved. But if they did the wrong thing, you can always withdraw and refile. But you want to confirm what's going on. If you're using a lawyer, usually they know what they're doing most of the time, right? Most of the time. Okay. If we can help you, give us a call. I'm only going to be here for a minute here. Hi, Angel. Nice to see you. I've got to hop off, but I want to wish everybody a happy Diwali if you're celebrating it. Wish others that might be celebrating it. It actually makes us feel pretty awesome if you do. Thank you to everyone that wished us on Facebook a happy Diwali. And that's all I have. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Thanks so much, everyone, for joining. I will see you very soon. Bye.